Yes, Eustace, let's talk about pins and its uses. So, there are different types of pins you would find in the marketplace. Here we have office pins, as you can see, office pins. And some tailors like to use those pins. They're not bad actually. However, those pins are shorter in length when you compare to the dressmaker's pins, and they're kind of fatter as well. So as you can see, this is the length of the pin. Okay, and let's just try it out to hold. Okay, not bad. So that way, so some people actually prefer this, but when you're using the office pins, please be mindful that they shouldn't be used on delicate fabrics such as silk, because it has the tendency of leaving marks or holes in your fabric, and that's because they are kind of fatter in size. Okay, so here we have another type of office pins, just very similar to the other one, but the only difference is that this office pins are in a box, unlike this one which comes in a paper box. Okay, so let's just look at the difference between the two, if there is any. Okay, they are almost the same, in fact kind of the same actually, just that the one in the box is a little bit teeny little bit longer than that in the paper. Okay, let's talk about the different types of dressmakers pins you can use for your sewing projects. I would like to start with the pearl headed pins. Those pins are usually long, as you can see, and suitable for different kinds of sewing projects. Let's give it a trial. How do you put your pin in the fabric? You simply apply tension on the fabric, align the edges of your seam, and then